Hey there friends, what up? I hope you enjoyed this video. I thought that light display was pretty cool and it made for a good excuse to do a little bit of flow. Real quick, I just want to put out a huge thank you to Ultrapoi for sponsoring this video and making it possible for me to get out and do cool flow videos like this with interesting pieces of public art. If you'd like to grab a set of those orb poi, LED contact poi that I was using in this video, you can do that by using the promo code DrexFactor with a 0 instead of an O at checkout. That will get you a discount on your order, and it helps out the channel so everybody wins. Hey, Ultrapoi, thank you so much for your continued support of my channel. Speaking of thank yous, big thanks to the friends of the channel. Thanks to Dark Monk, Fire Mecha, Flowfests, Flow Toys, Juggling Calling, Pyroterror Light Toys, and Ultrapoi for helping to make the videos on this channel possible. You can learn more about all these awesome companies and the work that they're doing to support flow artists like yourself by checking out the links that I've got down in the description of this video. And special thanks to the non-business friends of the channel, that is Lain Mochinsky and Pekha Pekkonen. Thank you both so very much for your support for my work and my mission. And finally, this video would not be possible were it not for the awesome support of all of these nice people right here. These are my Flow patrons over on Patreon, and they, just like the people listed down in the description, helped make this video and all the videos on this channel possible. Thank you one and all for your very generous support. And if you out there watching enjoy these videos and would like to support them, you can do so by heading on over to patreon.com/DrexFactorPoi and signing up. There you can get access to a whole host of awesome rewards, including early access to my content, so go check that out, please and thank you. Finally, if you're interested in checking out more of my flow videos, I will include a link to a playlist of them down in the description as well as up here on screen if you're watching on YouTube. Also, the YouTube algorithm thinks that you might like this top video here based upon your past viewing habits, so maybe give that a look as well. Thanks so much, have a good one, and I will see you with a new video real soon. Peace.